Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So today we have a cool tech here. It's not useful for everyone, but I thought I'd get one to test it out and see how it is. Can you guess what it is? Well, I guess I just told you, huh? Here we go. This is the professional currency counter from Cassida. This is the 6600 model. It has a UV and magnetic strip. So it's not tape sealed. It looks like the crease, so I don't know. Has this been opened? Is this an open box or what? Sorry guys, I should have planned this out better. Maybe I should have pre-opened this because this thing's packed in tight. Okay. Move this to the side. Okay, and in the box you also get the manual. Some more stuff back here. Okay. This over here, and let's do this here. Looks nice and brand new. This even has that cool smell, like, nope, actually it smells almost like a rubber tire, like a tire, yeah. So here is a nice little carrying handle. That's cool. So let's see. Let me unpack this here. The box. Actually, I should save that. Leave that out here because maybe I need to leave that for when I'm bringing this around. Okay, so let's flip this over here. Okay. And then we have the power supply, so let me open that bag. It's a pretty big brick power supply. It's almost like a laptop, like an older laptop power brick. And we'll just plug that in here. So it's a 24 volt, 2.4 amp. So this is pretty power hungry. And let's see here. As you can see here in the back, we have the power. We have maybe this to update. And look at this little big old port thing here. It's pretty nice and built. Looks like it's built very well. Oh wow, there we go. Oh, okay. Well, that's a cool introduction. Okay, so here's the button. You could test for UV and magnetic. I would hope it do both. Let's see. Okay, well there you go, both. So let's try this. So it also comes with a bag of I guess replacement parts. Look at that. Lots of wow. I hope I never have to replace anything because that looks like a lot of stuff to do. And then of course you get the manual and like a little dust cleaning brush. Okay, so let's see. Will this thing actually identify the money? So these are just $1 here. So let's just do a quick test. I'm just gonna at least help it out and organize it in one direction. put that in here, I believe. Oh, sorry. Okay, here we go. Just put it. Okay, well, 12. So let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so I got that down good. Okay, so here, I'll just leave that there. And let me stack this up here. I don't think I need to, but I'll just do it just for the sake of sickness. Okay, so this obviously it doesn't read the denomination, which I assume it did not. I'll give you that. So let's see. So let's clear. Let's do, I guess, 20. Okay. Okay, let's start over. Okay, so let's say value 20. I don't think I have to hit start, so let's see where it goes. Okay, well, I thought it would sum up the value for you. So do I have to crack the manual? Do I have to crack it? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Let's try this. That makes sense. So bam, there you go. That wasn't too complicated, right? You see what I did there? So you just have to just bump it. See, so here's ones, twos, fives, tens, 20s, hundreds, and back to ones. So, okay, so let's clear. Okay. Let's start fresh. So we're at ones. So you can see the dollars aren't really, you know, it's not really like super crisp and flat, but it was able to suck it all in and wow, read it really fast. And a little stack of hundreds. This one, we'll leave it all uneven. Cool, huh? Okay. So let's just clear that up. So let's track the hundreds and see again. So we got 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, counted that out correctly. I don't have fake dollar bills, so I can't run that for fake dollar bills. I was thinking I could try to pull the magnetic strip out of one of these $1 bills, but it feels like it's too much trouble, and I think this works fine. Yeah, right. So we counted the money. It works. So I'm not really sure what else to say. I mean, this thing works very, very, very fast. Obviously, it doesn't automatically knew what each of the bills were, which I kind of hoped it would, just because it could read magnetic strips, you know, the magnetic. So I was hoping it could somehow tell, but that's a little too much to ask, right? But yeah, as you can see, it counted all the bills, and this one I left it all. Oh well, they're all faced correctly, anyways. Yeah. So, yeah, it's not too much I can say about that, other than it does work, and it works very fast. So here, let's just... This time I'll just leave it as is. No denomination, but at least we just do a quick count. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Dow. That was pretty darn fast. 32 bills total. Obviously, it will not do the value because I didn't place it, but that's pretty cool. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's not too much else I could add to this, other than that this is obviously built very nice. You can see it has a little brass spinner, and yeah, there's the rubber kind of guide wheels to pull in the money. So we have extra of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, after multiple uses, you can always change out the wheels down there. Yeah. So it comes with parts. Again, this is a 66 model, 6600 model. I believe at time of purchase, this was around 250, 260. Here, I'll just pull it up real quick for y'all. Because I know a lot of people with businesses out there, especially smaller business, you need stuff like this because you want to count your money accurately, and of course you want to do it in your private and not in front of people, and you want to be able to accurately count how much money you have. And of course, once you have a machine that you trust, then you're able to do it fast without actually hand counting it afterwards. I mean, of course, sometimes you just have to because money is money, and you want to be accurate with it. But when once you can trust a machine like this, because this is a pretty named brand, it's probably one of the top 3 brands out there. Let's see, this is 6600, and okay, at the time of purchase is about pretty much 280. It's $279.99. I just round that penny up. But yeah, this is just a specialized business grade machine for handling money to count it, and of course count it accurately. Supposedly, when there is a counterfeit, it would stop and it should beep. I don't have a fake dollar bill to test. Let me check in here. I doubt they give you one as a test. Yeah, I don't see one in the manual. So obviously they're not going to give you a fake bill to test. So there's no real way of doing that. But once the counterfeit is detected, the 6600 will stop the count and dispense the suspected bill onto the stack of removals. So that, I'm not really sure where it would spit it out. I assume it would just hold it like right here, I assume it would just stop and hold the fake bill like that. I don't see like a separate slot for it to actually yank it out, and I think that would be just an extra movement that this machine shouldn't do. Designed with user mind, intelligence, bill density recognition system, eliminates time stopping, comes to blah, blah. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, so again, this does scan for ultraviolet marks, which is the UV, and then it also tests for the magnetic strip. So I'm just trying to just skim it again to make sure it doesn't actually read. See, so I'm a little confused here because the newer model here. Let me just pull it up closer for y'all to see here. So the newer model is supposed to have more of an in-depth LED screen, which I'm a little confused if this is like the newer model. See, so this is why I thought it would read the bill and actually provide a screen, because you can see how this screen is a little different versus this one. I mean, of course, this does say 6600. I'm trying to see. See, so if you look closely here, it's the exact same picture for the 6600. And again, right here. See, it has a sharp LED screen here. Yeah, this is like the older model. Why would they ship me the older model? Will this give me the total amount, not just the amount? Yes, but you have to input the denomination. Yeah. I mean, no matter what, this still provides that feature of the count. But, okay, so far everyone here seems to have the picture of the old one. I just want to do a quick check to see if anyone has maybe like the newer looking. See, old. Yeah, that bugs me a little bit, just a little bit, because this one here, it looks so much nicer. Look at that. Tell me that does not look a little bit nicer. That's like almost like an iPhone screen right there, right? And it gives you like a full dollar amount with the money dollar sign. Count in total. I'm gonna have to email the seller just to kind of double check, because I kind of want that. And of course, they have the 75 and the 7750R. Maybe those actually read the bills to provide a. Yeah, see, that reads it. Okay, well, I would definitely email the seller and ask what the dealio is, and maybe I'll leave like a little update in the description below. But for now, as you can see, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. This works fine, and the number is bright, easy, easy to read, and you know what you're getting when it's counting, so that's fine. But if there's a newer model, I want that newer model, right? Because just newer means pretty much probably everything inside is probably revamped and it's just a little bit better. Not saying that this is not fine and it's not working perfectly as it should, but if they show a picture of a newer model, I want that newer model. Makes sense. I mean, overall, everything else, it looks basically the same. This one's a little more sharp angle versus this is all smooth around the sides and more bubbly looking. But overall, everything looks so much the same. It's just the LED screen here is just a little bit nicer. But yeah, okay. Well, I'm just gonna leave it there. There's not much else I can say other than that this works perfectly fine. It's brand new. I mean, there's a little scratch here. But other than that, yeah, it's cool. Everything works. Man, this has been used. Actually, I see a crease there and it looks like a finger smudge, like someone wiped something. Maybe it's open boxed. Okay. Well, I'll leave it there, and I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And again, I will email the seller, and I'll just kind of try to get an update on, what the issue is, and if I can get the newer model, because I prefer the newer model. All right, I'll leave it there.